What's up, guys? Welcome to Finn's Family Farm. My name is Micah. If you're new here, thank you for watching. If you're old here, thank you for coming back and watching. I appreciate everybody that watches this channel. Helps me out a lot to do things. So, I have been working on the Mini. Trying to clean up, all the rust stuff you see. I've been sanding it, got it primed. I also sanded some spots here and got it primed up. But I actually need to buy some more primer so I can finish all over here and finish right there. And then I'm going to move up to the top into the bars here, get those all primed up. Just trying to knock off, some of this rust spots here. Trying to get those taken care of so they don't rust all the way through. But it's going. So I think there's some bad gas in there. So I'm going to try and get all that gas out and put fresh gas in there. But I kind of need to get the gas out of the gas tank so I can fix the little float valve that tells me how much fuel's in here, because it doesn't work. So I need to get it drained out. I need to get that sticker taken off here. But it's working out. It's going. I still like it. Tried getting it registered the other day, but since I didn't drive the truck to the tax collector's office, they told me that I needed to have a cop come out here and verify the VIN number, have him fill out a form, then I take all that stuff back up there and go from there. Hopefully get it registered. So, there is a VIN number for this type of truck, but it's not a VIN number like we have on our America vehicles. Japan don't have VIN numbers like that. Their VIN numbers are like 4 or 5 digits, where America is like 17 or 18 digits. I don't remember. So yeah, it's a process to get it registered. But when I get it registered, I'll get new wheels for it, and then I'll get painted, and it'll be ready for the streets. So, but I did fix up the area, the Suzuki area where it came off. Kind of sanded it, got it fixed up. So I need to ride up to the gate and see if I got my package or not. So UPS wants to play this little game and not deliver my package. I was supposed to get it yesterday, didn't get it. Supposed to get it today, and I still haven't got it. So I don't know what they're doing. If I don't get it back today, then I'm gonna call Walmart and see what we could do about my package. All right, so I'm gonna drive up to the gate, guys. I'll see you in a second. All right, so just finished this part over here. I need to grind the rust spots down there. I'm sorry, not grind, but wire brush the rust spots over there, and then prime it. And I'm probably gonna go park it in the sun way it dries. So I'm gonna I don't have my tripod, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna grind it real quick, and then I'll show y'all after I grind it, and then I'll spray paint it. All right, so you can see it's bare metal right here now, and over here. Oh, so I got it all up. I missed that right there, but it'll be fine. But it's funny how I bought black primer and it's gray. So it's pretty funny how that turned out. But hey, that's fine. I need gray. But so this primer is supposed to fill in any holes, gaps, things like that. But I'm actually doing this to get rid of the rust and make it look new. It's not going to be new, but eventually I'm going to put spray paint bed liner on here. So alright guys, the back of the bed is done. I'll just go through and clean up some spots. There's a spot right there. But yeah, I'm still gonna, well, I don't really have to prime this, but I'm probably going to. Just to help that bed liner stick better. But I'm probably gonna end up, you know, I gotta take this screw out right here. And I gotta take, okay, that's the only screw. Okay, so when I take this screw out, this whole side will come off. And then I can get down in the groove right here and get all that. But eventually, I'm going to get everything primed up and sanded, which means the lights have to come back off. Do the same thing with this one. That screw right there comes out. The whole back of the bed will slide off. And the same thing on this side. The whole back will slide off. So the bars you see right there going across the window and where the light bar is on, all that's going to be black. The bed's going to be black. And the rest of the truck, except for little pieces here and there, it's going to be olive green with bed liner. Maybe. It depends if I get it street legal. If I get it street legal, then yes, I'll paint it all and get new wheels and tires. If for some reason I can't get it street legal, I'll just leave it as is, spray the bed liner on there, keep the tires and wheels on there, and just use it as a farm truck around the property. So I'm gonna slowly fix it up. So this neat little chicken coop right here. It's small. It's a 10 by 13, but hey, excuse me, it works. You hear the turkeys over there talking to me because I'm out here. But it works. We have some, he's got beautiful birds. The black ones are mine. The brown and white ones are his, which they run away. We'll go in there and get a better look at it. Get over here in the shade. There they are.
These are black copper Morans, if I remember right. The black ones here. That white one is a chick off of my American breast birds before they died. The brown and white ones are Isa Browns, or Isa Browns, however you want to pronounce it. And that one there, I believe he's what we call the runt. But these birds are beautiful. We're going to get some more of these birds. But that's his roost he made, which is good. They love it. They sit on it and they sit under it. And he put that tarp right there to help block any wind or rain from the roost when they sleep. But they love it. They have a little canopy area, a little shade cloth over their tarp over their area where they can lay when it rains. And then you have the open sky view over here, which I'm going to see about getting a shade cloth for them. That way it's a little cooler out here when they hang out here. You got their waterer right there. But it's a nice little thing. It's about 6 feet tall. It's nice. He put it together one night. You'll need about 500 zip ties. Because I think they only give you like 250 of them, but you need about 500 of them. You got Finn. Go, mama. Go. Go, mama. That's Finn going after his mama. I don't know why you're hissing at me. So the toms are getting big. There's the toms. There's I believe I said 4 toms in here, which we're gonna butcher them. But these are actually some beautiful turkeys as well. You get the hiccups again. Very beautiful birds. So we're gonna have some nice turkey for Thanksgiving. One of y'all's gonna go on Thanksgiving plate. You better turn that head and red, that blue head back to blue and not red, buddy. Because I'm the last person you want to attack, because you'll go to freezer camp. That's them. My chicken coop is still up there. I was actually gonna go buy everything today when I was in town, but I couldn't. I couldn't get everything I wanted in the back of the truck, and I needed a trailer. And being that it's like an hour away from town, I didn't want to come all the way home, get the trailer, and go all the way back. So that's probably gonna be on hold for again, but it will be done. I was hoping to get it done this weekend, but Doesn't look like that's going to happen. So I was going to go buy everything that I needed. The roof, the 2x4s that I need to finish the roof, and then all the plywood. I was going to go buy that and get it ready. And then build the door. And then the other door is going to be right in here, which I have that in a barn. It's already built. But yeah, I was gonna go get the plywood. And I was gonna plywood it all, and then cut the plywood at the angle that I need. I'm also gonna trim it out too, guys. It's gonna look nice when I'm done. I'm probably going to plywood it, and I got that zip tape that I was going to use on the corners and all that, and then cover that with wood. But I'm also probably going to paint it. I might just leave it the blue primer. I don't know. But I was going to get all that today, but didn't. But it has been a beautiful day today. As you see, the sky is very pretty. I need to cut grass again. But eventually, I'm not gonna have to cut all 5 acres. I'll just have to cut like 3 acres, because the goats will take up 2 acres. Because I'm gonna start when I get the chicken coop done here. I'm probably gonna start the expansion of the goat pen. Maybe. Or I'm gonna start the processing area where we can process deer and our chicken. So, which is going to go right here by the shed. But haven't bought the material for that yet. So I was kind of wanting to get the chickens in a bigger area, give them more room, and give them an area they could run around in and play in. You know, let chickens do what chickens do, whatever chickens do. So we got a nice breeze. I think the high is like 88. Also had an MRI done this morning on my hip. So I'm waiting for the results to let me know what kind of surgery I would need on my hip. That's getting done, hopefully soon, since it's been a year or 2 years now. So alright guys, it's going good though, it's going good. I'm happy. Now, showed y'all we had those meat birds. Started out with 26 Cornish cross chickens, which is a meat. They don't lay eggs. They are just meat, and that's it. I hear a helicopter, but I don't see it. There it is. But we've had a few die. I think we're down to 20 of them now instead of 26. So I'm probably gonna order some more. Before it gets too cold. Yeah, we'll go from there. See what happens. What's it, Finn? Finn!